In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process to permanently delete your Mailchimp account. If you find this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us keep making content just for you. Permanently deleting your Mailchimp account ensures your data and marketing activities are fully removed, preventing any future access or accidental use. It also helps you avoid ongoing fees or compliance issues related to inactive accounts. To start, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Account and Billing to move forward. When you're on the Account and Billing page, find the sidebar on the left side of the screen. In this sidebar, you'll see different options. Click on Settings to see more choices. From these choices, select Manage My Plan to go to the Account Security Settings page. On this page, you'll find an option called Permanently Delete My Account. Click on Delete My Account. You will be taken to a confirmation page. Here, click on Continue to Delete. On the final page, you need to type in your account password and then type the word DELETE in all capital letters. Click the button that says Permanently Delete. After this, Mailchimp will ask you why you're deleting your account. You can choose a reason from the list if you want, but it's not required. Whether you select a reason or not, you can close the window and your account will be deleted. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.